Oh, goody. Dolores Cromwell, nice to meet you.
Hey, I'm Cameron Lord.
Cameron, well, make your way. Just come on into my home, and the bathroom's right around the corner. And yeah.
Thank you, Dolores.
Be comfortable.
Man, you look like you got some real shoddy plumbing. You know who the last person in here was?
Oh, I believe that was David about 3 months ago. Debauchery!
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, man.
Oh my God, Cameron!
I'm sorry. Don't tell my boss, though.
Oh, I'll be
please,
telling your boss
please don't
immediately.
Please don't.
Get out, you creature! Oh my God, he's not even a plumber. He's just a plum. Just a little plum. Get on your best bun. Get out of here.
Hello, Mr. White's plumbing.
Mr. White, this is Dolores Cromwell. I'm very upset with the business that you just provided to me.
Was your plumbing unsatisfactory?
Sir, ma'am.
Was the plumbing bad?
The plumbing was, I don't even know.
He didn't show you any crack.
He did not show crack.
Mr. White!
Sir.
Mr. White!
Ma'am.
He didn't show any crack, Cameron!
Sir.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Ma'am, we're gonna send out our best plumber as soon as we can.
Oh, sir. Sir.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Sir. Send me the biggest, juiciest plumber you got. The one that shows the most brown to turn my frown upside down. Sir. Ma'am.
All right, ma'am. All right, ma'am. You hang in there.
Thank you.
Hello, man.